Welcome back. In this video, we're going to walk through ARIA's interactive manual. Starting from version 4, we decided to create an interactive manual. As you know, we're still moving through our first roadmap, which officially goes up to version 5. Thanks to our community, there will also be a version 6. We'll share more on that later. But the main reason for this new manual is that there were many questions and multiple manuals from different versions. So we made it interactive so you can jump to any section you need and read exactly what applies to your setup. In the next video, we'll go through the interactive manual and then we'll add the web requests and other settings. At the moment, the manual is first in English and then in Spanish. That's easier for us because it's our native language. We also have a lot of Chinese users and the language barrier can be a challenge, and that's why we added a Chinese version internally as well. Since this manual is online, there's a simple trick with Google Chrome. Click the 3 dots in the top right, then translate. Again, open the 3 dots and click choose another language. You'll see a drop down with a lot of languages. This is really useful because the manual can be read in almost any language thanks to Google's automatic translation. For example, select French and the entire manual switches to French so everyone can view it in the language they prefer. This is an excellent option if your native language is different. It helps you understand ARIA more deeply. And if you still have specific questions, you can always ask us directly or reach out in our MQL5 group or via Telegram for those who can access it. We know many users in China can't access certain platforms. Some use a VPN, others don't, which makes access difficult. That's another reason we're making this video series, to make onboarding easier for new users. We will always keep this guide updated. When we release version 5, the same guide will be updated to version 5, and it will continue like that for all future versions or updates. Sometimes we also push intermediate updates like version 4.5. Those changes will be added here as well. This new manual is more interactive, simpler to navigate, and more complete since it consolidates multiple manuals from previous versions. As always, our community is large and very collaborative, and we're super grateful for that. If you have any questions, you can ask in the MQL5 group or via Telegram. We also have a Discord, but it's not fully organized yet, even though quite a few users are already there. You can also contact us directly in private. Just keep in mind, the community often replies faster than we can because our inbox is usually full and it's hard to answer everyone immediately. We will always respond, but sometimes it takes time due to the time difference. We're in Argentina, so the group is often the best first option. Now that you've seen the manual a bit, you can check incompatibilities, common issues, and suggested checks. There are a lot of helpful notes in the manual. From here, we'll go back to MetaTrader and finish what's left to install in Aria Connector, and there isn't much left. As you can see, it's simpler than it looks, even if Aria Connector can seem intimidating because of the number of parameters. We'll continue in the next videos and go step by step.